Hey guys, so I just wanted to walk you through how you can actually create a full outbound agent. So from the beginning to the end, how I would create an agent, how you can create an agent for your company using Nova Echo AI. If you don't know what it is yet, Nova Echo AI is a software that does outbound and inbound customer service and sales calls for companies. Sounds just like a human, people cannot tell the difference, and it cuts cost and increases scalability. So pretty simple. Here's what it can do. So start off, obviously I'm going to go to the outbound agent section. My client ID, that's already in there automatically. Choose a language. I'm going to choose English. That's my main language. I'm going to choose a active usage number here, just so I can do test calls. Then I'm going to choose an initial message. So that's the first message that the AI says after it calls somebody. So I'm going to put, hey, how you doing? Then I'm going to choose a voice. I really like Mateo, so I'm going to pick him. Then I'm going to make it so that this will transfer the call to me once the person's interested. So we'll do 1-475-1497. That's our phone number. Keyword based. We'll do. This is what the AI is going to say before it transfers the phone. So transferring now. Perfect. Then I'm going to put the interrupt sensitivity. I'm going to keep that on low. I'm going to turn this to sensitive. This basically just means how quickly it responds. So this is super quick. I'm going to put this at 2 so that it will wait 2 seconds to say the initial message delay, and it will actually allow the person to talk first before the AI talks. We're going to turn this up a little bit, which means that we're allowing the agent to be more dynamic and have full creative conversation with the prospect. We're going to turn on double call, which calls people twice in a row if they don't pick up to get past do not disturb. Turn this on. This hangs up if it hits a voicemail. Then I think I'm going to do post-webinar follow-up call script. Okay. So this is post webinar. I'm going to be running a webinar actually on June 19th. So we're going to say you are Alex, an AI assistant from Voice. So we're going to say from Nova Echo AI, conducting follow-up calls to attendees for our exclusive white-label SaaS Voice AI assistants. Webinar hosted by Voice Services co-founder. So we're going to say by Nova Echo's co-founders. Okay, so you get the point. You just go through, change up the little stuff to make it for your business. Okay, so pretty self-explanatory here. Now, once I'm done with the script, all I'm going to do is press Save Agent. Now I'm going to give it a name, so we're going to do post-webinar follow-up call, and then call for after webinar. Oh, and there was one thing I missed, so let me actually click on the edit here. And remember, I wanted to transfer the call, so transferring now. Fix that. Okay, so we're going to put down here, it sounds like a perfect fit. Our AI not only streamlines prices, but also offers unique features, blah, 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 blah. Okay, excellent attendee name. Let's just put transfer. I'll go ahead and start transferring now so that you can speak to our founder and get signed up. Alright, and I'm just going to delete this. There you go. So now we have a full agent. I can make a call, choose a number, and have it actually call my personal. That way I can test it. And with this script, it's going to run through. It's going to sound super good. And then at the end here is actually going to live transfer the call to me when that person gets the end of the script, which means that they're super interested. So it'll live transfer it to me. And then I'll just answer my phone whenever I get a call. And I'll say, hello. Glad I could talk to you. Blah, 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 blah. Let's get you going with our software. Okay, so pretty simple. This took me about 5 minutes to set up, and is going to work pretty damn well. Now, every time I launch a call to myself and I test call this, I'm going to listen back to the call recording, back in the call logs and recording section, and I'm going to say, okay, did it do good or was there a part that I messed up with? If it messed up at a certain place, all I'm going to do is come back here, go to edit, find where it messed up, and make whatever tweaks I think are necessary to make sure it does not do that same thing the next time. And I do that on a bunch of different calls. Then I'm going to run some real life testing, do the same thing, listen back to call recordings and make any edits and adjustments, and then it is good to go and good to scale. So as you can see, I just created an outbound agent in about 7 or so minutes fully, and I explained testing as well. Okay, now granted, this is a very simple outbound agent. You can get way more complex. You can add a lot more to it, automations and all other kinds of cool things. But I just created an agent that will work well in 7 minutes of training. A human would take, I don't know, weeks, months, for somebody really good, years to train, and by that time they might have left already. So I know you guys already know why this technology is so powerful. I just want to restate that. And if you do want to be able to use this in your own business and spend 7 minutes setting up an agent that will do 108,000 calls an hour for the rest of your business's life, then click the link down below and you can book a call with me or my team, or you can check out our website, which is novaecho.ai, and you can learn how you can get set up with this technology in your business today. Okay, so do that and subscribe so you can see the next video on how to keep creating more amazing agents. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.